Good evening, everybody. Welcome. It's Courtney back with another video. Today, I'm going to be talking about the brand new review for 2025 of October of Prizerebel. Now, they've completely revamped this site, so we're going to go over the ins and outs of it. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so you get notified. If you have any questions, please drop them below and be on the lookout because I will be releasing an ebook of all the websites and apps that I currently use to make money on a daily basis. So you'll want to stay tuned for that because it's going to be a great resource to have. So let's get into this video. They've completely revamped this site. I don't know. They wanted a new look to it. So this is your homepage. Right now they're giving a 25% more bonus for surveys and offers. You have your daily challenge right here. If I receive 93 points today, then I get extra 5. You see I have 37 points, 37 cents. Every 100 points equals $1. Your streak, if you do it Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you get an extra 30 cents. Okay, we're going to look at the reward. It tells me right here I need 3,200 to my next reward. We're going to go into the different levels. Let me do that right now. Hold on. So everybody starts at bronze and you can access surveys and offer walls. Rewards unlocked, minimum $10, 10% of referral earnings. If you want to sign up for this site as well, go ahead and click the link down in the description. It gives me a bonus. It gives you a bonus. We're working as a team. If you do exactly what I lay out for you every single day, you can make a minimum of $5 every single day. That's on average $150 extra in your pocket for you and your family every single month. Silver, unlock more rewards, lowered minimum redemption, $5. Okay. So you at least want to get to silver because you want to be able to cash out your $5 every day. Gold, instant reward processing, access to more survey providers, 15% in referral earnings. If you're platinum, you get a 1% discount on rewards, non-stackable, early access to new rewards, exclusive platinum plus raffles. Okay. If you're diamond, which is where I'm at, you get 1% monthly bonus, 20% on referral earnings, a higher survey bonus, diamond plus exclusive bonus promotions, and emerald. This is their newest level. When you get to emerald, you've made it to the top. So you get free Prizerebel swag, priority support, early access to new features and partners, and emerald only insider promo codes. Okay. So on this site, if we go, you can set your reward goal. We'll do it down here. Let me see. If I go to rewards, because they changed the layout, it shows right here that I want $5 in PayPal money, but there are so many rewards. Amazon, Apple, Walmart, Albertsons. You could do this just for groceries. If you want to get into crypto, this is a great way to do it. Okay. It's 505 points for $5 because of the processing fee. Taco Time, Container Store, Baja Fresh, Dunkin' Donuts, eBay, Subway. You know, the list just goes on and on and on. Okay. We can keep going. I love the rewards. You can do a virtual prepaid MasterCard or Visa if you want to do it that way. This is a great site to start because fourth quarter just started, so you can save up your points and cash them out for Christmas money. If you're living paycheck to paycheck and you're like, I don't know how I'm going to get my kids Christmas this year, this is a great site to do it. Okay. So you can go over here to $1 to $5 rewards and see what rewards they have for $1 to $5. Like I said, I love my PayPal cash. I can transfer it right to my bank account and pay bills with it. You got Amazon, you got online games, you got PayPal, crypto, Bitcoin, ACH bank transfer, and you can even transfer to Venmo. And this site is legit. I've been using this site for over 10 years. Like I said, invite your friends and you earn 20% of all their points. So by lifetime stats, I've earned $82.81 from my referrals. I have 122. There's been 5,564 clicks. Okay. They've changed this, so I didn't know what it looked like. You can also do raffles and contests. Rewards I just showed you. If you go to the offers tab, there's AT Studios, Revenue Universe, Ascend, InBrain, My Chips is new, AdGate, and Toro X. I love AdGate. I use AdGate. I use Revenue Universe. I use AdGate, and I use Toro X. And I use Ascend for videos. So what I'll usually do is come on here in the morning, scroll through all of these offers, and sometimes at the top I'll go to all offers, and then I'll see it says view the ways to earn 1 cent. This one is 1 cent as well. So you can go through all of these. How to lose weight. You sign up, use valid sign up information, and you make 19 cents. Okay. So I just go through all of these. I used to be a big survey taker when I first started this, and I'll show you the method to that as well. How to make your $5 faster. I just don't have time anymore to sit all day and do surveys. But you can make your money faster doing surveys. Then when I'm done doing my offers for the day, I go over to Ascend. And I click on the videos up here. I usually do recipes, sign up for the website, and then it connects to Prizerebel. So when you earn your points, you just convert them over to Prizerebel points. I let the videos run on my laptop while I'm running errands, working, walking my dogs, going to school, like whatever I'm doing that day, I let them run. And this will increase your passive income, your points, so much because you get paid every time an ad plays. So we do that, and then let me Revenue Universe. Revenue Universe. I usually go to most popular, and then I'll click free. You don't have to, but I just do. If you haven't signed up for Rakuten, you get 20 cents. Get your farmer's market guide for type 2 diabetes, 43 cents. Sign up for sleep disorders, 37 cents. Sign up for Earnin, get 3,156. Install Opera and get 3 months free of Spotify, 47 cents. Register with Casino Pro if you're into that. Create your free AARP online account and get started. You get 140 points, which equals to $1.40. And then I just scroll down here and see if there's anything. Easy task, just click. Register with Trendin Daily, 43 points. So if you go through and you do all these easy stuff. And like I said, it doesn't have to be your information. Um, Register, Scrabble, play, and withdraw. Like you can, if you want to become a DoorDash driver, they're going to give you 4,875 points. What's another one I do? Um, if you have, if you suffer from cancer, get information, 23 cents. COPD, you get 35 cents. So you can make your money really fast every single day. Let's go to surveys and I'll let you know how to do that. If you are wanting to do that, you can do any of these. And it tells you, like, when you click on it, how many people have made it. I usually go to Prizerebel and all of these surveys, but you can go to your daily survey, and your daily survey is 80 points. So 80 cents for one survey. So if you do the math, let me see, because math was not my strong suit in school. So if we take 500 points and we divide it by 80, you need to do 6 surveys a day to make your money. It's 6.25. So you would have a little bit extra to earn from videos or offers. So what I would do is I would know that I would have to do 6 surveys every day. So I'd get up, I'd make my coffee, I'd sit here and I'd do 6 of my daily surveys. When you do 6 of your daily surveys, guys, it's going to trigger this daily challenge. So you're going to make 5 cents on top of that. You're going to level up on top of that. And you're going to be doing offers when you get tired of getting disqualified for surveys all the time. And you're going to watch videos, which is going to earn you money. So you can make your $5 really fast. I do daily surveys, and I would do where it says Prizerebel. That's where you get all these surveys, and you can literally put best match, most points, or short surveys. I always do the short surveys. I like to get in and out if I do any surveys for the day. 67 cents, 77 cents, 40 cents. And this is just an average of the time it takes you, you know. 3 minutes, 4 minutes. It depends how fast you can click and read. 5 minutes, 6 minutes. There's tons and tons of surveys, and they always reload. So you've got plenty to do on this site. Like I said, my points history is different. I haven't done anything in August or September or this month either. So for August, I got my special level bonus of 6 points, 0.38 points. Okay. You see, I'm on Revenue Universe a lot. I'm on Ascend Media a lot. Those are the two I really gravitate towards. Revenue Universe, Ascend. A promo code was sent to me, my June special bonus, my promo codes, my April special bonus. I just don't get on here anymore because I've gotten so good at what I do with other side hustles that this isn't my main side hustle anymore, but it used to be. So if this is the first time you're learning how to earn money, it's a great site to get started with. You need to do some offers. You need to do 6 surveys a day with the daily surveys. Other surveys could vary. Watch videos. Get a YouTube channel, okay? And do a video just like I'm doing. And all you need for that is Zoom. You're recording your screen. So you're going to make a YouTube video, make tutorial review videos like I'm doing, put your link in the description, and that's how you get referrals. So then your money is automatic and you don't have to make money yourself. Your referrals are busy making money for themselves and you get a portion of that. The company pays you. It's like affiliate marketing, basically. So make sure you do that. And then once you get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 watch hours, you can become monetized. So that's another stream of income from YouTube. So you got Prizerebel, you got YouTube. And be sure to stay tuned because I've got my guide coming out that's going to be outrageous. I just counted tonight. I have 30 apps just on my phone alone that I use to make money every day. So if you want outrageous ways to make money every single day, make sure you stay tuned. This I have 37 cents. I earned no points today, no points yesterday, no points this month. This year I've earned $4.86. My lifetime points, I've earned $751.24. I've claimed 133 rewards. I have 122 referrals. My referrals have not done anything today. That's why I say do not focus on your referrals. Get on here, do your 6 daily surveys, do your offers, watch some videos, and cash out at least $5 every day. Make it your mission that that's what you're going to do. I don't care if you have an hour before work. Get on here and make your money. An hour before you go to bed, get on here and make your money. It works. While you're sleeping, let your videos run. Let them make you money. Okay? Get paid for watching ads while you're sleeping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this 2025 review video. I hope it was helpful. Like I said, if you have any questions, please comment below. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I drop new videos. And be sure to watch for my master guide of earning money online. Have a great night, guys.